Welcome to my channel. My name is Eric, and I'm a New Yorker discovering the great outdoors of my motherland, Taiwan, after 2 decades of living in New York City and around Europe. In this video, I bring a few of my American friends to a beautiful waterfall hike on the east coast of Taiwan called Nan Ao. This is a relatively challenging hike with lots of bouldering, so let's see if my friends can make it to the final waterfall. What's up, guys? River tracing with the boys here. A little sausage fest. Beautiful Elan County. Amazing mountains. We're about to go into the jungle right now. Not even 3 minutes in. Already at a really beautiful pool like this. Taiwan is a very lush mountainous island, and this tributary river is literally one of thousands of routes to be explored. About an hour, 15 minutes drive outside of downtown Taipei in Nan Ao, Elan County, the waterfall we're looking for is called the Fan Waterfall, and you'll find out later why. I invited my friends Brian, Dan, and Dave to this hike. I've never done any outdoor activities with these guys, and to be honest, it was actually my first time meeting Dan and only my third time meeting Brian. So I had no idea how this hike was going to turn out. The new guys, Brian and Danny, it's their first time river tracing, so I think they're getting used to the feeling of walking in water, river, and on rocks. First waterfall in under 10 minutes. So something I've been training the guys in is how to use their bodies to shift their body weight and get through challenges like these. Set first. Roughly 1 hour in, we've climbed what seems like endless waterfalls already, and the team is getting used to river tracing. River tracing is a fun game of problem solving, where you learn how to adapt your body to the constraints of nature, and where you have to figure out how to rebalance your relationship with nature, either physically or mentally. But sometimes it just brings you a big fucking smile. look at this. Woo! Dude, that was impressive, man.